Hiking up from Poly Canyon Village out to the architecture graveyard. Alright. There's some people coming out here. Alright. This is my little cave. This is my little fucking trap house. You know what I mean? Holy. You can see there's like 20 different structures. What is on the camera right now? Alright, the fucking dust is just everywhere in here now. I'm gonna head out. Flight 2. No major damage yet. Holy fuck. I think it's fine. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Mom, say hi.
Hello, what's up?
So nasty that it's probably somewhat of a travesty having me. Then he told the people you can call me your majesty. Keep your battery charged, you know it won't stick, yo. And it's not his fault you kick slow. Should've let your trick hold your sick glow. Plus nobody couldn't do nothing once he let the brick go. And you know I know that's a bunch of snow. The beat is so butter. Peep the slow cutter as he utter the calm flow. Don't talk about my mom, yo. Sometimes he rhyme quick, sometimes he rhyme slow, or vice versa. Whip up a slice of nice verse pie, hit it on the first try, villain. The worst guy, spot high.
Ow! Fuck. I think I've tested my luck enough at this spot. I'm gonna use my last battery somewhere else.
Welcome to Tango 2.
Made a promise to my mama that I'll bless her with some grandkids. She can spoil them, but till then I'm getting dollars. I'm just doing what I gotta. Can a man live? And it's all day. I'm a god, get a whole squad a job, get them all paid. Came a long way from all state, yeah. Now we all American. Shit, we all American. Yeah, I swear to God, I put the hero in heroin. These flows, kilos. I can sell snow to a ski slope. I can sell evil to the devil, non-believers to a temple. Shit, I can sell water to a ski. And these eyes is iconic. I went pro, made profit. Now I keep some dead faces in my pocket. Getting faded, I've been stoned all week. But what's a guy without a little OD? Just twisting my weed, easing my mind. Why you worry about me? Stop tripping, I'm fine. Swear these bitches done lost it lately. You put the whole in honest, baby. So complicated. And I may be a little arrogant, I'm aware of it, I know. I got a problem, I'ma take care of it. Weight I'm carrying, gotta let it go. It won't hold me down, no. Made a promise to my mama that I'll bless her with some grandkids. She can spoil them, but till then I'm getting dollars. I'm just doing what I gotta. Can a man live? And it's all day. I'm a god, get a whole squad.
I learned that I need to know what mode I'm flying in, because the whole time I was flying in like not acro mode. I was flying in like a mode where I couldn't flip, and I didn't really try to flip, so I didn't realize it. But once I flipped that on at the very end, it was a lot faster. So I'll come out tomorrow probably and fly this all again in acro. Walking out right now. Saw this spot. Gonna have to fly through this tomorrow. That's what I'm doing. All right. Holy shit, that was lucky. I'm gonna get it right one day, but holy fuck. It's Brady.